David owns the lab, a beast on a warpath, gutting pioneer frames, leaving nothing but the aftermath. Korg on the slab, rolling stripped to the bone. Numak screaming for mercy, he's reclaiming the throne. Techniques resurrected, pulled straight from the grave. The West Coast Titan, making every fader his slave. Kill the chatter, bury the hype, delete the fear. It's total domination, the only name you're gonna hear. Turn the monitors up, let the signal erupt. Scott's on the bench, watch the levels corrupt. Turn the monitors up, break the limit, the seal. He's the only one left keeping the industry real. Turn the monitors up. Sparks hit like shrapnel, the stance of a killer, bringing dead mixes back like a graveyard thriller. Faders don't just glide, they slice through the ghost. Button snapping like necks from the west to the coast. He's the circuit board surgeon, the prophet of the wire, turning rusted out junk into pure sonic fire. From OC to the world, the legend won't bend. If the pulse stops beating, he's the one you send. Turn the monitors up, make the speakers bleed, feeding the hunger, providing the need. Turn the monitors up, feel the shock in your chest. Scott Davis the name, burying the rest. Let the pretenders choke on the smoke they create. Scott enters the room to seal the equipment's fate, while the amateurs fumble and burn through the trace. He's rewiring the soul, putting them back in their place. 1,000-volt surge, he's catching the strike. The only man trusted with the decks and the mic. He don't patch up the holes, he rebuilds the machine. The most lethal technician that you've ever seen. Turn the monitors up, make the speakers bleed, feeding the hunger, providing the need. Turn the monitors up, feel the shock in your chest. Scott Davis the name, burying the rest. Born in the heat, forging the grease and the grime. He don't ask for respect, he takes it every time. The iron stays hot, the solder flows like lead. He's the alpha of audio, enough said. He starts